Alright, so it's Wednesday morning. 24 hours later, I'm looking at my video where I was having a contest, and so far only 2 people have commented. So MA71, I think that's Max, and my other buddy here, Boba Fett 316. Those are the only 2 people that commented on the video in 24 hours, so I guess those are the only 2 people that are gonna win. So those 2 people are gonna win Blockbuster Express DVD codes, free codes. So they win free DVD codes. So congratulations, you guys. Just a reminder for everybody else that if you want to win, comment on my videos anytime between now, Monday through Friday, for the next 3 weeks, and you can win one too. I'm gonna give away 2 every day. It's really that simple. Good morning, world. So tired. Driving through Oakland this morning, and I'm pooped. Hey, if you're out there watching this video right now, I think I've just yawned like 3 or 4 times in the last like 2 minutes. If you're out there watching this video right now and you're watching me yawn, did you yawn also? Because isn't that true that when you see somebody else yawn, you want to yawn also? I wonder if that's true for over YouTube also. All dreams. Hundreds, I only want 2. Trillion, Bob, Jillian, and who's that girl again? Alright, time to go to Safeway. Blockbuster. Nice. Here's what I'm eating for breakfast. Eggs and soy hot dog with rice, and I'll put some Tabasco and ketchup. I'm actually about to make instant rice. Somehow I know I'm gonna jack this up. Alright. See how we did here. Oh, looks pretty good.